here, Casino Carla, and we're on Magic Pearl Lightning Link. There's our Grand 21, Major 500, 50, 10. Let's hit something. I put 300 in because I'm feeling like that's what all we need right now. We'll do 1 cent denom, $5. I'm gonna go through these pretty quick and see if we find anything. I just figured out that these machines have a bingo. So I'm kind of watching the bingo. But I cannot figure, these bingos are very different. I'm kind of liking how this one looks. Oh, come on. Cannot figure these bingos out. They look really good and yet they're not hitting anything. Okay. Put $300 back in, plus my ticket. We'll try and spend. I'm gonna change it to 10 cents. Oh, there we go. $2.50 bet on 10. Little flipper. So we want I think, I don't play this very much, chip in the middle? Or a wild or a flipper, I think. want a chip? Chip, 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 chip. Or a flipper, or a chip. Ooh, there's a while. Chip, 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 chip. Okay, $29.50. That was a lot of work for $29.50. Try a $5 bet. Now to me, this bingo should be something, which is $3. Let's go to 2 cents. Let's go to 5 cents. Huh? No. I have no secret on that. Ooh, I like that though. That's a good one. All right, we got the minor, which is $250, and we got the mini, which is $50. So that is good. Let's go. Come on, hit something. Oh, I don't like these. I don't like these. There we go. Another mini. Now it should hit something. Come on. Another mini for $50. Another mini for $50. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Come on, save it right here. Save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it, save it. Ooh, that's a good one though. Oh, this one goes fast. $562.50. $575 total. That was a good one. Let's see if it wants to keep playing. Ooh. Two more. Come on, let's get one more bonus here. Two more. Oh! I think we're getting one more little whatever those are. Pearls. We want pearls. And I drop down to 625. There we go. Here we go. I like 3 at a time. Come on, save it. That's 62.50. It's good. Or 60, yeah, 62.50. These are all big ones. That was a good one. 825. 825. So we put 300 and then I put my ticket in for 300 in this, so we're in 600. It wants to pay. Going back to $12.50 for a little bit. Oh, blocked. Come on, baby. Hit another. Find your little pearls. I got a good feeling about this for some reason. A good feeling. That looks pretty. Ooh, 250. That was pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's $1,250. One more. Oh, I think he was right at the top. Go back to 625. Oh, one more. $42. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's trying. Dolphin. We could call him Dolphiny. My son used to call a little dolphin we got at... Oh. I don't know where we got the dolphin at, but he called him Dolphiny. Let's go, Dolphiny. Let's get a bonus, Dolphiny. Let's go to 10-6. $12.50. Two more. Alright, I'm calling that good. I'm going to cash out my 1,000. So, we put in 600, we're cashing out 1,000. Played pretty good. So, there's my ticket. Is it? I don't know what it's doing. Might be out of paper. I don't know. Okay, thanks for watching CasinoCarla. Bye-bye.